Welcome back to Appliance Educator. I'm Nick. Today we have a special show. It's very fun. It's going to get grimy. It's going to get grunky. And we're going to talk about non-directional stainless steel. So what is non-directional stainless steel? So think about your stainless steel appliance and how it kind of has a grain and it goes left to right. Now think of a non-directional pattern with that stainless steel. Kind of like a circular motion. That's non-directional stainless steel. And now what that means is that it's more protected against smudging and, easier to clean and not as hard, it's not as easy to see smudges in, an unclean appliance. So what we have here is a 33-inch drop-in sink from ZLINE. That is non-directional stainless steel. They call this DuraSnow. That's their proprietary version of non-directional stainless steel. So if you take a good look, you can see that it kind of looks like it's got little scratches that are in a circular pattern. And that comes from an orbital sander that gets that prepared. Usually this happens before it goes into a paint. So if you had a stainless steel outdoor appliance or indoor appliance even that was then coated with a paint, they would probably do a non-directional orbital sander on it. That way the paint can stick better than just the left to right kind of polish of a stainless steel. So let's get a little test here going and see if it's very much different than a regular stainless steel. So when we come back, I'm going to get some burrito fingers and I'm going to smudge up this bad boy and we're going to do a compare and sample test between a non-directional stainless steel and a regular stainless steel sink. So let me go eat a burrito and I'll be right back. And welcome back. I've eaten 3/4 of my burrito for lunch today and it's greasy and it means your finger's a mess. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take this burrito, I'm going to get my fingers nice and greasy, and then I'm going to go attack these sinks. So let's go. And by the way, this burrito is absolutely delicious. It's from Alberto's here, just down the corner. See, look at all that grease. Perfect, 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 perfect. I'm gonna even have a bite. All right. A little AMSR on Appliance Educator. All right, greasy fingers. Look at that.
Just get my hand in here and leave some grease. Natural grease. Looks so bad.
Matt naturally has extremely wet hands all the time, so thank you for adding to our demonstration. All right, so you can see we definitely have finger marks in there. Absolutely easy to see. Now, let's compare and contrast here. So again, with our constant here, the burrito, nice greasy finger. I even wipe my hands with wipe my face with my hands. Here we go. A little extra help from Greasy Finger Matt.
Naturally. It's gross how on the right hand side you can see my natural hands are far greasier than your burrito finger hands. I need to go see a doctor.
You should go see a doctor. But let's look at the difference here. You see the streaks of the fingers. It's there, but definitely not as prominent as it is here on this regular stainless steel. You can almost see Matt's fingerprints here. So if you take a still shot of this and you get Matt's name and here's his fingerprints, so you can now steal his identity. So yeah, if you're looking for a stainless steel that is less resistant to getting your kids' fingers all over it and having to clean it all the time, non-directional is your best bet. And hit up ZLINE. They make a whole kitchen suite full of DuraSnow non-directional stainless steel appliances. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you learned a little bit today. And remember, like, subscribe, leave us a comment if you have a non-directional, or if you have any more questions about non-directional stainless steel. Very happy to answer those, or help answer those, or help get you to where you need to be. Yeah, follow us on Instagram. If you have any DIYs, as in DIY, why do they do that? Shoot them our way too. I'd love to review those and get them on our stories and TikToks. Hit up our merch, QR codes in the corner, and we'll catch you next time, huh?